Okay, here's our 64 Cadillac convertible. Let's look at the hood. Let's pop the hood first. So it is hard to open this. This lever I cannot get from the outside. I have to reach up from underneath to get to it. I can't get it through here. I'm not sure why, just so you know. But very rust free. Original 429. It does run and drive. It doesn't drive. It does run. I got another video of it starting up with the key, but off pouring gas on the carb. And air condition, power steering, power brakes. Not sure if it's disc, to be honest with you. I should probably look. You know, in GM, it's probably those huge aluminum finned drums they had back in the day. Tag. Looks like it was originally white with black interior. Nice color combination. Let's see here. AC looks all still be there. The linkage on the carburetor is jacked up, and I don't even know if it's the right carburetor. So it doesn't want to move very well. It's all wobbly. I don't trust it. So you know. Now let's check out the outside. Chrome on this car is really nice. A lot of the trim is really nice. I think it's all there too. You know, a tad maybe beat up here and there. It's all there. Power antenna. The windshield, if I'm not mistaken, is in really nice shape. Convertible top frame is all there. I'll come back to the interior here in a second. But like, wheel wells are good. There's looks like some previous Bondo there. But the rockers are really solid. It got rust from the inside out, meaning got leaves and stuff inside from sitting under a tree and rusted the floorboards. Your bumper's in nice shape. And pop the trunk here in a second. I'll go down the other side here also. Hang on. Yeah, so it got rust in the trunk. But the lower portions, obviously, not the higher areas. There's no rust around there, other than surface rust. And usually, that's not rusty. Dirty, that's not rusty. Same all here. A little weather stripping. And that's in good shape there too. Let's see. Where else? Original keys. Get down this side. Looks like that skirt's not fitting 100%. There's no rust there. And let's go down here. Nice and solid. No rust here. And let's look inside now. The interior got really beat up from the Arizona sun and then years of neglect outside with the roof off. Hang on. So it's going to need a total restoration. Seats, some floor damage, but it is a 64 Cadillac, so it's definitely worth restoring. It's check those out. And the headlights all work, the taillights work. And pretty much that's it. Got a 64 Cadillac, Arizona, California car, a clean Arizona title. And there's a lot of pictures up on the auction. That'll show more underneath, things like that. So thanks for looking.